Can you actually grow a YouTube channel without using social media at all? No Facebook, no Instagram, no dancing on TikTok at 11 o'clock at night, wondering where your life went wrong? Just YouTube. Because if you're like me, the idea of posting content on 7 different platforms every day just sounds like less like a business plan and more like a part-time job with no benefits. And once you're over 40, you start protecting your peace and quiet a little more. And I'm not trying to wake up every morning thinking, did I remember to post a reel today? Heck, I barely remember why I walked into the kitchen sometimes. So I decided to test something. What happens if you try to grow a YouTube channel using only YouTube? No outside traffic, no social media strategy at all. Just uploading videos and hoping the algorithm doesn't treat me like spam email. So for this experiment, I'm not promoting my videos anywhere else. No sharing on Facebook, no posting clips on Instagram, no link in my bio, no trying to figure out what B-Reel is. I'm simply uploading videos and letting YouTube decide whether I deserve happiness. And honestly, I think a lot of people over 40 secretly want to know if this can work, because we don't necessarily want to become full-time content machines. Now, most people will tell you you need social media to grow. And they say you need outside traffic. You need to promote everywhere. You need multiple platforms. And they may not be wrong. But sometimes I wonder if social media advice has become like fitness advice. Everybody says you need a complicated system, when deep down, we all know walking more and drinking fewer Dr. Peppers would probably help a lot more. But here's the real question nobody talks about. What if you don't want to use social media? What if you just want to make videos without turning your life into content? Because from what I'm learning so far, growth on YouTube mostly comes down to a few things. Making videos people actually care about, getting them to click, and keeping them watching. That's really it. No secret hacks. No posting motivational quotes on Instagram at 6 o'clock in the morning. Just making better videos over time. And honestly, I think a lot of creators overcomplicate this because it feels productive. You know, researching microphones for 14 hours feels productive. Researching or reorganizing your desk feels productive. Watching how to go viral videos while eating a bag of chips feels productive. But eventually, you still have to hit upload. And that's kind of the theme here of this whole experiment. Can simple still work? Now, will this approach be slower? Probably. But slower doesn't mean impossible. And honestly, once you're over 40, you start valuing sustainability more than speed. Because burnout at 22 looks a lot different than burnout at 52. At 22, you bounce back pretty quickly. At 52, you need a recovery nap and orthopedic shoes. So on this channel, I'm going to keep testing this. I'll share the views. I'll share the mistakes, what works, what doesn't. No fake guru stuff here. No rented Lamborghinis. Just real results from a regular person trying to figure this out. So if you've ever wondered whether you can grow a YouTube channel without living on social media all day, hit that subscribe button below. And let's see if simple still works. Because sometimes you don't need more platforms. You just need consistency and maybe some reading glasses.